All right, folks. Today I'm diving into the world of process improvement in pharma and medical device manufacturing. This isn't just about making things faster or cheaper, it's about boosting efficiency, ensuring compliance, and ultimately delivering quality products that save lives. First off, let's define process improvement. Think of it as a systematic approach to identifying, analyzing, and enhancing existing processes. In pharma and med device manufacturing, this can mean anything from streamlining production lines to optimizing quality control methods. So, how do you go about it? One popular methodology is Lean Six Sigma. Lean focuses on eliminating waste, while Six Sigma aims at reducing variation and improving quality. Together, they create a powerhouse for process enhancement. Step 1. Define the problem. What's slowing you down? Is it a bottleneck in production or a high defect rate? Gather data and pinpoint the issue. Step 2. Measure. Collect data to understand how the current process performs. Use tools like value stream mapping to visualize each step. Step 3. Analyze. Dig into the data to find root causes. Techniques like fishbone diagrams and Pareto charts can help you see where things go wrong. Step 4. Improve. Develop solutions to address the root causes. Test these changes on a small scale first. If they work, roll them out company-wide. Step 5. Control. Once improvements are in place, monitor them to ensure they stick. Use control charts to keep an eye on process performance over time. But remember, it's not just about the tools and techniques. Successful process improvement requires a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage your team to always look for better ways to do things. Also, stay compliant with regulatory standards. In pharma and medical device manufacturing, regulations like FDA's 21 CFR Part 820 for QSR or ISO 13485 for medical devices are crucial. They ensure that your improvements don't compromise safety or quality. To wrap up, process improvement is vital in pharma and med device manufacturing. It's about making your processes more efficient, compliant, and ultimately ensuring that your products are safe and effective for patients. So get out there and start improving those processes. Thanks for watching. Check us out at pathwise.com. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you found this helpful. Catch you in the next video.